Good morning. This is Thursday, the 28th of January, and we're looking at the bond futures. It is 8:47 in the morning. The market's been open for 27 minutes, the day session rather. A little premature on this, but as you can see, I'm short this market at 160.13, 30 seconds. We've run up. I was trying to get short up in here and did not get filled for a second scaling position here. That would have been great, and I just missed it. So we're almost back to break even. If we're able to back and fill a little bit, I'd be looking to go short. But again, short at 13 right in here. I got a rather small position at 3. I was trying to get short right up in here. And let's just see what we look at this. Frustrating. So I will look to hold on one second. Alright, I am back. Look at this market. Again, very frustrated that I missed the trade up in here. Again, a little premature on this. Short at 13. I am just going to scratch this trade, and I don't want. I got 5, so that means I'm long 2 now. That was actually a mistake again, just like yesterday. But I will take that mistake because now I'm long. But I got 2, so I just need to get out of this because I shouldn't be long. That was a mistake. I was looking to just scratch the trade. So let's just exit this market. Alright, so up 250, but again, made a mistake. I was long 2. Should have probably kept that, but again, it was a mistake. I do not necessarily have a signal to get long. So let me take a look at this again. The market opened up at 8:20 on the day session, right? This is the night session. Actually, let's take a look at the night session a little closer here. Okay, this is the night session. So basically, all of last night the market traded pretty much let's say sideways to down, and then early this morning we started moving higher, as you can see. That's not good, right? Let's just take a look at this. Right, consolidate, and then we really ran up. We had news this morning. We really brought the market, The market really rallied. Got short right in here. Ran up definitely higher than I expected, but I was trying to short it in here. Did not get filled, unfortunately. And so I decided to scratch the trade again. Short at 13, out at 11. Only made 2 ticks on 3, but then of course I had 5 when I was reversing, and it got me long 2, and I made 1. So that was a mistake there, but still came out 250. There'll be plenty more trades today, as there always is. Talk about frustration. Take a look at this market. We were completely right on the trade and exited prematurely. Okay, again, short this market in the bonds well before the S&Ps even open. I'm short right here. Again, once this bar closed, okay, I was looking to key off of that bar's high to go short. We had short-term exhaustion. Missed the trade altogether. Frustrated. And so when it came back, just pretty much scratched the trade, made 2 ticks, and then look at this market. And again, if I had been following my indicator, I wouldn't have been looking to exit until right in here. But again, live and learn, and you can learn from my mistakes. Alright, have a great day, and I will be planning on doing another video once another trade setup occurs. Now remember, I scratched this trade. I was looking for the market to kind of back and fill a little bit, to look to short this market. We never got that. Instead, we just dropped off the cliff, and it's gone. So we'll get plenty more setups today. Talk to you soon. Bye for now. Alright, I am back again, and this market has just fallen apart. Again, I was short near that high, took it off too early, made just a little bit of money. Market has done nothing but drop. The S&Ps are opening up higher. We've hit a support level, but of course I was not about to enter long, especially when the market getting killed like it has been. Again, we're looking at the bond futures, and the S&Ps just opened up. So once we got this rally up to here, I got long right in here. Just with I've only got 1 position, 1 contract. sticking my foot in the water, as they say, and with every intent to buy more as the market comes down and retests the low of 159.04. But who knows? We could continue just running. I just have a contract. Either way, I'm in this, and if we back and fill back to near those lows, I will get in again. I'm going to record this entire trade, so I'll be. All right, I'm back. I am back. So again, long at 9. We've already pushed up to 15, so it's given us 6 ticks. So this is again a real small trade. Feeling that it might go up a little higher. So you know what? I'm actually gonna just take it to break even. I should have probably automatically exited at 14 and just took the 5 ticks looking for a back and fill and then looked to re-enter, but I did not do that, thinking that it might drift even higher yet. So I did not use the discipline of just saying 5 ticks out. Well, I know 5 ticks, I can get that like clockwork all day long at my levels, okay? So we're at 14, so let's see if we can bump its head up at 15. Takes, you know what, but that's not following. Let's just see if I can do 14 here. All right, look at this. God, I should have kept this. Okay, so I exited at 14. I was able to get filled at 14, so I took another 5 ticks. But again, only on one contract here. And just as I suspected, we are even drifting even higher yet. We're at 17 now, okay? Again, I want to show you a little something here, okay? This is why I did this, okay? Now, you could look at this chart and say, well, look at this. Up to 20 now. Up to 20. Again, I stuck my foot in the water with just a single contract because of the big down move that we got here, right? We did hit one of my support levels, right? We did hit it. But again, it's not going to be an automatic, especially when the market's getting hit like it did this morning. And you got to view the market overall in its overall context. And the context was that trend was, you had momentum to the downside. Saw this bar, it exhausted itself by what confirmed that this down move exhausted itself was, first, I like a big flush out like we got right here. Big bar, biggest bar in the last 5 bars easily right in here, right? The following bar was not able to penetrate down through that low. We matched it to the tick. We had a very tight bar. As soon as the following bar took out this high right in here, when that was taken out to the upside, I waited for a little pullback to get in, and I got in here, got filled at 9. That's what confirmed me getting long in the market. Look at this, up to 24, okay? Nailed that. Again, just took 5 ticks, and I wasn't going to. I was going to wait and look for a bigger move to the upside, and we certainly got. All right, take a look at this, man. The market has moved higher. I just wish I had caught this. I should have been in this a lot longer. I just had that feeling the market was going to move higher. I am trying to actually get short here at 03, 160.03. We'll see if we can get this filled. If we don't get filled here in the next couple minutes and we trade down to below 160 to 159, 31.30, I'd cancel that order. But again, still looking to get short at 3. Let's see if we. All right, got filled at 03. So let's see what happens. So right there, 3 is where we're filled. Let's back this up a little bit. All right. If the market continues to push higher, I am looking, my next number is right up in here, 12-13 area. Okay, I'll be back. I'm gonna take you through this entire trade here. Let's see what happens. All right, I am back. Actually broke even on the trade, and you might ask why. Typically, what I'm looking for, my first profit target is 5 ticks, right? 5 ticks. So if I went short at 3, 31, 159.31, which it dropped down to, is 4 ticks, right? 31 even, 1, 2, 3, that's 4 ticks. It missed my profit target by 1 tick, which means I move it to break even. So this is a break even trade. But trade's not over. If we push higher, if we're able to test 6. If we go back up to 6, maybe push up through it a tick or two, I will be looking to go short this market again. But for now, I just took it off, break even, and missed my first target of 1 tick, so I'm out. So let me just pause it quick and see what we do. Alright, I am back, and again, this was a break-even trade. We had a good trade to the long side down in here, had a break-even trade here, and I'm going to end this video because unfortunately the market was not able to back and fill like I was looking for it to do. Again, broke even because it gave us 4 ticks, not the 5 ticks we were looking for. Moved it to break even. I was looking for the market to come back up, retest this high, maybe go a bit higher. We shorted again, but I missed that. Instead we've moved lower. So I don't think there's anything setting up anytime soon. So I'm going to end this call and hope that helps. Bye.